The 1970 Plymouth Hemi Cuda isn't just a muscle car, it's the muscle car your dad warned your tires about. Picture it, a shaker hood quivering at idle, a 426 Hemi thumping, and quarter-mile times in the mid-13s right off the showroom floor. Rarest of the rare, too. Hundreds made, not thousands, so every real one feels like a myth parked in your driveway. Welcome to Car Swag. We read the comments, so put below what car should be next. Let's go! 1970 is the reset year that made the legend. Plymouth moved the Barracuda to the new E-body platform, shared with the Dodge Challenger, and the vibe changed overnight. Longer hood, shorter deck, wider stance. Suddenly, the Cuda looked like it was built to hunt. The proportions sold the promise. Big motor, big tires, small patience. Under that shaker, the Street Hemi is Mopar's mad science project turned production reality. On paper, it's 425 horsepower, but everyone knows that number is conservative. The Hemi loves revs, hates laziness, and when it's in tune, it feels like a freight train that just realized brakes are optional. Visually, Hemi Cudas read like a greatest hits album. The 9.6 shaker hood pokes through the sheet metal, feeding cold air and putting the engine on stage. 1970 only hockey stick stripes with the engine call-out shout what you paid for. And the high-impact color palette, lemon twist, Tor Red, in violet, Limelight, means even parked, the car looks like it's moving 60. Period tests put 0 to 60 right around 6 seconds, and the quarter mile in the 13s at a little over 100 miles per hour, depending on gearing and tires. It's nose heavy, sure, but from a dig, it's like flipping a light switch labeled "Good luck." The front end rises, the shaker wobbles, and the speedometer stops being polite and starts being real. Now for a bit of context, the AAR Cuda. Built to homologate Plymouth's Trans Am effort, the AAR ran a 346 barrel with fiberglass bits, side exit exhaust, and a stance that says corners matter. It's lighter and more nimble, but the Hemi Cuda is the sledgehammer. Less finesse, more knockout. Both are icons, they just punch in different weight classes. Rarity is why the Hemi Cuda lives rent-free in auction headlines. Production in 1970? Think hundreds, not thousands. Coupes are scarce, convertibles are unicorns. The result is predictable. Great cars with history, colors, and the right options can trade for eye-watering money, while driver-grade examples still orbit the stratosphere. If you see a genuine Hemi Cuda in the wild, you're basically watching money idle. If you're shopping or even just daydreaming, here's how to not get burned. Start with the VIN number, of course. Cross-check the fender tag, and if possible, find the broadcast sheet. Look for hidden stampings on the radiator support and cowl to confirm the car's identity. E-bodies love to rust in the cowl, firewall, windshield corners, torsion bar crossmember, trunk floor, and rear frame rails, plus the battery tray area. Nothing kills a dream like discovering the car is more patch panel than Plymouth. What's it like to live with a Hemi Cuda? Honestly, spicy. Dual quads mean you'll spend some time tuning. Cold starts can take technique, and if you drive at short distances a lot, plug fouling is a rite of passage. Heat soak on a hot day? Yep, been there. The good news: modern ignition modules, quality plug wires, careful carb tuning, and improved cooling parts make these cars far more civil without ruining originality. It's the difference between a car you start and a car you avoid starting. Why did a legend this good disappear so fast? Insurance crackdowns, rising premiums, emissions pressure. The early 70s shut the party down. But the Hemi Cuda's essence never really left. Every Hellcat burnout and supercharged grin traces back to this car's audacity. Giant motor, bold colors, attitude for days. If this kind of deep dive muscle storytelling is your thing, come hang in our garage. Hit subscribe. We've got more icons, more myths, and more real-world tips on the way.